Hi, my name's Terry Spencer. I'm the campus director here at Pima Medical Institute. I can't wait to show you my campus. Come on in. This is where you'll first join us when you come to visit our campus. This is our campus lobby, and I'm going to show you around the hallways of the school. We've got financial aid, high pressed ed, student services. Katie helps you while you're in school here. I'd love to introduce you to Gunnar West. He's our career services coordinator. Can you tell us a little bit about what you do with us?
Yes, of course. So career services helps with your externship placement, some workshops throughout your program, and then assists you in finding your career at the end of the program.
Thanks, Gunnar.
Yes.
I'd love to introduce you to our campus registrar. This is Lauren Abram. Many times you're going to see her at the front desk as well. She's wonderful. She's so nice and kind, and she will help you with every bit of your time here at Pima.
Hello.
Over here we have our student lounge. There's food available, drinks, everything you need. As you can see in this classroom, these are our practical nursing students. So this is where they hear the lecture, but in the back, as you can see, they have their mannequins. Some of them are simulated, so they do turn on and they can tell you what's wrong with them. One of them can even have a baby. Over here, this is our wall of fame. Take a look at this. Many of our students come out and want to tell us about their experience. So we get to show them off here, and they get to brag a little bit about what they've been doing since they left Pima. I'm excited to show you our vet technician program. I want to introduce you to Dr. Kate Kerr. She's our veterinarian here at Pima Medical Institute Aurora. Can you tell us a little bit about what you do, Dr. Kerr?
Yes, absolutely. So once you get on program, on ground for the vet tech program, we're going to be spending a lot of time learning about the ins and outs of daily life as a veterinary technician, including doing things like anesthesia and our dental cleanings with live animals. We work on things like placing catheters, intubating, running blood work. So there's a lot of hands-on that we do in here.
Thank you, Dr. Kerr. We appreciate your time today.
My pleasure. Thanks, guys.
Welcome to our medical assisting classroom. This is actually our biggest program at Pima Aurora. It's set up just like a doctor's office. So in this program, you're going to learn how to take blood, you're going to check vitals, you're even sometimes going to learn how to do stitches. And you'll learn a lot in this program with our wonderful teachers. Let's go check out our last program, dental assisting. Finally, this is our dental assisting classroom. As you can see, it's set up just like a dental office. In this program, you're going to learn how to do x-rays, molds for the mouth, charting the teeth, as well as assisting the dentist. This is another one of our 9-month certificate programs. Thanks for joining us on our tour today. For more information, visit pmi.edu or call or come by. We can't wait to see you.